Your driving instructor teaches you how to control the car. But there are a few things many people only learn after years of driving. The first is this: not every mistake needs an immediate reaction. If you drift slightly within your lane, don't jerk the steering wheel. Small, smooth corrections are almost always safer than sudden ones. The second lesson is that you don't have to win every situation. If another driver cuts you off, let them go. Driving isn't a competition. Getting home safely is more important than proving you're right. Here's another thing many beginners never hear. Good drivers don't stare directly in front of the hood. They keep their eyes moving farther ahead, giving themselves more time to plan instead of rushing to react. And finally, there's one habit that separates calm drivers from stressed drivers. They always have a backup plan. If a lane closes, they already know where they'll go. If a car brakes suddenly, they've already left enough space. They're never depending on everything going perfectly. That's the real secret. Experienced drivers don't stay calm because nothing unexpected happens. They stay calm because they're prepared when it does. Driving isn't about having perfect control over everyone else on the road. It's about having control over your own decisions. And that's something no shortcut can teach. It only comes from building the right habits, one drive at a time.